In a world where the fastest sprinters battle for supremacy, the unexpected often captures our imagination the most. What if I told you that the seemingly unbeatable Lyles, fresh off a stunning victory in the 100 meters, was dethroned in a dramatic twist no one saw coming? Welcome to the Paris 2024 Olympics, where the unthinkable became reality and a young athlete from Botswana made history. This is the story of Letsile Tebogo's meteoric rise, a tale of triumph, resilience, and a surprising post-race controversy that has left the athletics world buzzing. Before we continue with our exciting video today, if you're new to our channel, make sure to give our video a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting future videos. Know Lyles was the name on everyone's lips as the men's 200-meter final approached. He had confidently secured gold in the 100 meters, and the world expected him to dominate again. But on this day, it wasn't Lyles who crossed the finish line first. It was Letsile Tebogo, the 21-year-old sprinter from Botswana, who defied all odds and stormed to victory, leaving Lyles trailing in third place. Kenny Bednarik, Lyles' fellow American, claimed silver, but it was Tebogo who stole the spotlight with his blazing performance. What followed Tebogo's historic win was as surprising as the race itself. During the post-race press conference, when asked if he saw himself becoming the face of athletics, Tebogo's response was both humble and pointed. "I can't be the face of athletics because I'm not an arrogant or loud person like No." His words, while subtle, were enough to ignite a firestorm of speculation. Was this a veiled criticism of Lyles, or simply an acknowledgement of the American's larger-than-life presence in the sport?
I think for me, I can't be the face of athletics because I'm not an arrogant or a loud person like Noah. So I believe Noah is the face of athletics.
Tebogo's remarks have divided fans and commentators alike. Some see it as a sign of his humility, a refusal to be drawn into the media circus that often surrounds top athletes. Others wonder if there's more beneath the surface, a quiet confidence that could signal a new era in track and field. Lyles, known for his exuberant personality and bold predictions, had confidently declared before the race that he would complete the sprint double by winning the 200 meters. "None of them is winning. When I come off the turn, it will be depressed," he had said. But instead of a triumphant finish, Lyles found himself gasping for breath and placed in a wheelchair moments after the race, later revealing that he had been battling COVID-19. Lyles' defeat, compounded by his illness, has sparked a broader conversation about the pressures of maintaining peak performance on the world's biggest stage. Despite the disappointment, Lyles graciously congratulated Tebogo, both in person and on social media, where he also announced that his Olympic campaign had ended due to his health condition. For Tebogo, this victory was more than just an Olympic gold. It was a deeply personal triumph, coming just 2 months after the passing of his mother, Saratiwa. Overcome with grief, Tebogo had taken a month off from training, unsure if he could find the strength to continue. But he did. And he carried his mother's memory with him every step of the way, even wearing shoes bearing her date of birth as a tribute. In his own words, "It's basically me carrying her through every stride that I take." For Tebogo, this race was not just about winning. It was about honoring the sacrifices his mother made for him, the belief she had in him, and the strength she gave him to persevere. Tebogo's victory and his comments have opened a new chapter in the world of athletics. Could this be the beginning of a new era where humility and quiet determination lead the way? The Paris 2024 Olympics will be remembered not just for the records broken and the medals won, but for the moments that captured our collective imagination. Letsile Tebogo's triumph is one of those moments, a story of unexpected victory, personal resilience, and the quiet strength that often goes unnoticed in the world of athletics. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the world of sprinting is changing, and Tebogo has proven that sometimes the quietest voices have the most to say. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis as we continue to bring you the latest from the Paris 2024 Olympics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest from the Games. The race for Olympic gold is on, and the excitement is just beginning.